Hey guys, I had to just let you know this Instant Pot Dutch oven slow cooker is amazing. I use my slow cookers, but this thing is so much better. This removable Dutch oven you could use on your stovetop or in your oven, but it works inside this cooking pot that you can slow cook or braise or even do a manual. I've got here, one night I made some chicken. I seared it right in the pot with that sear saute button. And oh, it's a game changer. It's this coated cast iron. You can sear right in there. And that was a delicious chicken curry. And then I have here a tri-tip roast from ButcherBox that I've seasoned and seared. And then I added some onions and just slow cooked for like 3 hours. And it was so good. I made a gravy right in there afterwards, which you'll see. So check this out. I'll have a link below. And if you're in the market for something that's for the price you pay, you get a slow cooker, a braiser. It takes up less heat in your house in the summer. You can do everything in one pot. It's easy to clean. It is just pretty amazing. It's a great size. Again, like I said, you can take it out and use it on your stovetop if you want to, just as a separate device. So it's like you're getting two things. You're getting a Dutch oven and an electrical device to cook in. And I just threw some onions in there. It made enough juices just with those two things to be able to make a gravy that you'll see coming up here. So yeah, and the butcher box of meat was really good. If you haven't tried that, they had a deal so that I took advantage of for the chicken and the beef. So that was really tasty. And then the gravy, I just took the juices that were in there and I just threw a little einkorn flour in to thicken it up and put it back on the saute mode, and it just thickened right up. It was so tasty. So if you haven't checked that out, it's really a great device. I like multifunctional things. I love my pressure cookers because you can saute and then pressure cook. And it's just hard with a regular slow cooker. You know, you want to be quick and easy, and then you have to dirty a bunch of dishes to ground beef or what have you. But this, you could just do it all right in the pot and be done. And you don't have to fuss around with things on your stovetop first. And it's got that nice manual mode. If you don't have a mode that you find that you like there, you can make one up yourself. It tells you what degrees. Here's my gravy here that I made. Again, just thickening it up with that einkorn flour. It's got the onions still in there that have broken down and become all yummy and delicious. If you like cooking videos and art videos, go ahead and hit thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You can also check out my Etsy store, my blog, my Patreon account. That would be very nice of you to do that. So yeah, it was so tasty. I think I have these videos reversed actually. Looks a little thinner. So this was the first video. The one you just saw was the thickened state. But we served this over a creamy mashed potato that I make in the Instant Pot. Just takes 10 minutes. And super easy dinner. The roast is really tender and delicious. I can't cut it one-handed here, but here we go. So yeah, for a pretty, semi-lean piece of meat, it turned out really, really well. And I just took the mashed potatoes and layered a couple strips of that beef and then put that gravy on top, and you could serve it with a salad or some sort of green vegetable would be pretty. And it just was super tasty. And the whole kitchen didn't get heated up because here in Michigan right now, it's like 80s and bleh. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys, for joining me. I hope you check that out. Have a great day.